Most affiliate marketers know about ClickBank, but few of you guys know how to make money with ClickBank. A typical process for a newbie to affiliate marketing is that they sign up, find some crappy product with a high commission, and start to fantasize about how it's going to make sales. Then they throw some random traffic at it and watch how nobody spends a dime on it. Finally, they come to the conclusion that the platform sucks. Sounds familiar? Today, I am going to show you a fast way to make $100 a day for beginners. Before the start of the video, make sure to leave a like, and if you want to see more content, subscribe to channel. Let's get started. 2014 was the first year we tried to make some money off the platform. We ended up making $37,075 off it without trying very hard. ClickBank has always been a secondary monetization method so far for our business. As we saw the affiliate marketing revenue from ClickBank grow, we paid more attention to it and decided to optimize the process so we can make more money online with ClickBank. After a few months of hard work, we managed to transform this small income. What is ClickBank? ClickBank is an affiliate network, but unlike traditional affiliate platforms, ClickBank serves as a marketplace for both people who create products and affiliates, so they can make money together without complex paperwork or agreements. How does ClickBank work? In other words, ClickBank is the middleman between creators of digital products such as ebooks, video, music, and so on, and people who can sell those products, i.e. affiliate marketers. Obviously, depending on which part of the marketplace you are, ClickBank fulfills one of the two functions. 1. A product marketplace for affiliates. As an affiliate marketer, you can jump right in, create your unique affiliate links for thousands of products, more on that later, and start to drive traffic right away to start making money. You will also see your earnings in real time. It's free to join, and there's no screening process, no cap or complicated metrics. It's basically a simplified affiliate network, open to anyone that wants to give it a shot. An e-commerce platform for information product owners. As a product owner, you can add your product to the database, and ClickBank will take care of all the checkout and e-commerce part, as well as offering an affiliate program for it. You will be charged $49.95 one-time activation fee for becoming a seller on ClickBank. I believe this fee does a good job of keeping some low-quality vendors out of the platform. This is great if you don't want to handle the technical part of things, but you have to know that the platform will take a bit of money off your sales. $1 plus 7.5% of the sales. That's why if you start making some serious sales volume, you may want to move out of the platform to platforms like Thinkific or Teachable, because these don't take a percent of your sales. In addition to percent of sales, you're charged $2.5 payment processing fee every time you take out the money. ClickBank can also approve customer refunds and charge you 50 cents or $1 for that. The rise of LMS platforms like the two above is probably why ClickBank has been losing some steam in the last few years. Why ClickBank? As an affiliate marketer, you might ask yourself, why sell ebooks and online courses from unknown producers if you can just sign up with, say, CJ or Amazon Associates and sell reputable products? Firstly, online education is a huge market, and ClickBank itself generates close to $250 million in sales revenue each year. Secondly, there's a beauty to digital products. That beauty is the highest margins possible, because to make a copy of a video and sell it costs nothing. 100% of the revenue can be considered the profit, outside of marketing costs. High profits equal high affiliate commissions, and ClickBank pays up to 75%. Pros and cons of ClickBank. I really like ClickBank, and I think it's a fantastic place for new affiliate marketers to get started and earn money online without the hassle of more advanced affiliate networks. There's no cap. You don't need to be approved for 90% of the offers, and you can start selling right away. Trust me, that's a huge plus when you get started and have no track record to show those big affiliate networks. Here is a short list of the pros and cons of the platform. Pros: high paid offers. 75% commission is common. You can sell in most countries. Several recurring offers to sell for ongoing income. Takes the tech out of the way. Cons: lots of shitty products and sales pages. Lots of competition on popular products. Hard to tell what does well without investing traffic. High cost associated to the e-commerce platform. Step by step, how to make money with ClickBank. To make money with ClickBank, you have to follow the same formula as any successful venture. You need a solid product that customers want and create a funnel to convert the traffic to begin with. Then you build up your traffic, optimize your funnel, and once you know you're profitable, i.e. you convert more money than you invest, you scale the whole thing. Easy on paper, but sadly, few people put the effort to get it right. 90% of affiliate revenues come from 10% of affiliates, so put your best work in. How to pick the right product to promote. One of the best ways to make money in ClickBank is to start as an affiliate, promoting pages that have already been optimized in order to build your sales funnels. Much like keyword research for SEO, picking the right product to promote on ClickBank is extremely important. No matter how good you are at promoting, if you drive traffic to a sales page that doesn't sell, you will not make much money. The different ClickBank metrics. Initial dollars per sale, the average amount of money affiliates make per sale. Average percent per sale, the percent of the sales price affiliates take as a commission on average. Gravity, the number of affiliates that sold this product in the last 12 weeks. Average rebill total, average dollar affiliates take as a commission as a result of rebills. Average percent per rebill, percent of rebills paid to the affiliate on average. What is a great product to promote? Screening offers is a big part of knowing how to make money with ClickBank. Here are the things to look for when it comes to screening offers to promote. Low-cost initial offer with up to 3 upsales. Video sales pages and native sales pages, pages that feel like content. Products with good reviews online. Low refunds equals more money and less list burnout. Gravity above 20 means that the page converts fairly well. How everyone tries to make money from ClickBank. If you read on other affiliate marketing blogs, you'll see a ton of tactics on how to make money with ClickBank. Some of them work, and some of them clearly don't work. The issue most of these tactics have, apart from the last one, is that they have very limited pre-selling. People are thrown to sales pages without knowing exactly why they are there, or who is this guy trying to sell them an information product. From our experience, pre-selling is huge. You need to give people valid reasons why they should buy the product. And if you can be that third party giving a recommendation, your conversion rates will be 5 to 10 times very often. Hint, that's what I do all over Authority Hacker. Additionally, repeat exposure to the offer does very well for us. More on that later though. In content links. In content, links are usually inline recommendations that are embedded directly in the text. The recommendation often comes from the video or the author, and if they've done a good job building trust throughout the article or post, the conversion rates will be decent. However, they're not very prominent and will only catch the attention of the most attentive readers. Other than trusting the author, there's not much of an incentive to click through. Reviews. This is one tactic we still use to this day, and for good reason. It works. Review traffic is extremely targeted, and people landing on your page have a very high chance to buy. If your review doesn't look completely biased, there's a good chance they'll trust you and click through your affiliate link to buy the product. The issue with reviews is to actually get the volume of traffic you need to make a lot of sales. The traffic on review keywords is low, and the competition is fierce. Every SEO and their dog tries to make money online with reviews, and you end up sitting in the middle of a negative SEO fest for trickles of traffic. Not ideal if you're trying to build a long-term property. Also, there's no other way to scale than horizontally, produce more reviews, because there just isn't much traffic for each product review. This makes it hard to grow faster or use paid traffic to push things up. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to channel, and turn on post notifications to see more of our future videos. With that said, keep enjoying our videos, and I'll see you in the next video.